What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you Cardano Ecosystem. So if you are new to Cardano and you would like to explore and see more exactly what's building on Cardano, all the projects and everything else that's happening with Cardano, this is probably going to be a good video for you. So the website that we're going to go to is called buildoncardano.com. I'm going to leave link in the description below. So if we go to this website, you can see right here, there's a couple options: DeFi, NFT, Dev Tools, Explore, Wallets, and DEX. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna press on Get Started. Then it's gonna take you to this page. And then right here, you can either check project, stake pools, shuttle, popular, recently added, or you can just view all. So I'm gonna click on View All. And it's gonna show me every single project that has been added to build on Cardano website. So not necessarily every single project on Cardano ecosystem is going to be here, but the ones that actually submitted to build on Cardano. But this is going to be a very good site to get started, to explore, see exactly what's happening. So we're going to go through. So first thing, NFT collections. So at the time of recording this video, so far 88 projects registered on this website, but I'm sure there's a lot more. Not everybody wants to take time and submit the application, so they would be listed on here. Then if we scroll down, you can see DeFi tools. You can find every single DeFi. If we scroll up, 74 total DeFi tools. You probably didn't even know that many DeFi tools on Cardano. And then you can see right here which ones. Wing Riders, this is one of the latest one. Melodex, Milky Swap, Meld, and the rest of them are on here. Then let's scroll down. More development tools. You can find 53 total development tools sites that are associated with development on Cardano. NFT tools. If you would like to do a research about NFTs, find out NFT calendar, NFT tools, NFT world, CNFT jungle. I already made a video about it. And then sniping tools, CNFT predator, and many more. All that can be found here. And for example, if you decide to open one up, which you can do, let's say CNFT jungle, just press on it and this tab is going to change to CNFT jungle, and you can press on explore. Then it's going to take you to this page, and from here you're going to be able to read the description, what this tool can do, and then links. This is the most important. This is going to take you to their homepage, their Twitter, and their Discord channel. So if you press on homepage, new tab is going to appear and you'll see CNFT jungle, and you're going to be able to start using and see every feature and option that's available here. Then we can go back and then scroll down again, and as you can see right here, also pool tools, educational tools. If you are trying to learn Cardano or Haskell or Plutus, all that can be found over here. They have Catalyst School, Haskell and cryptocurrencies, metaverses. Right now, at the moment, I'm sure there are more metaverses, but the ones that are actually registered on this website, like the most hyped one, Cornucopia, Iconicus, Pavia, and all the other ones here as well. Then you can see community here, data aggregator tools. I already made a video about Cardano Cube. This is another ecosystem tool that's very useful, similar to this, but just different layout and probably has different projects registered with it. Chain supply, governance, meme coins. Yes, Cardano has meme coins as well. ADA office tools, gaming, news. If you're trying to read up or listen up or watch some YouTube videos that are focusing only on Cardano, you can find them here. Like for example, Cardano Ecosystem News. This is a pretty good one too. Then identity, data, music, cloud, communication, venture capital, layer 2, cross-chain, jobs. I didn't know that there was such a thing, Cardano jobs, but apparently if you're looking for a Cardano focused job, you can probably find it here as well. And then IoT, AI, audit, graveyard, engineering, social, education, and last one, RealFi. So at the time of recording, looks like this project has 448 projects registered with build on Cardano.com, but I'm sure there are a lot more. I've heard there's closer to 700 or 900 projects already on Cardano, but this tool would be very useful to start out with and start exploring Cardano ecosystem. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below, and if this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.